Addis Ababa. I mean, today is actually the day for the Meskel Festival. So as you can see, this is more like a decoration, yeah?
Yes.
Is this decoration for the festival?
Yes, it is. Yes, yes.
But what does this mean?
What does it mean?
Because in my country,
Yeah.
we use flowers for decoration, but this is like green grass.
We always use this.
Mm.
It is a tradition.
It's just a tradition.
Yeah, there's no actually
So,
a reason.
all right. So what I'm gonna do today is that the festival is in the evening. So, see, they're all getting clothes for the festival this evening. Oh, hi, hi. Oh, see, I'm coming from Congo, so I like saying merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
I'm a Saganalo.
Okay, good.
Hi. What are they doing now? It's a traditional song. Show! Raining. And today is the Meskel Festival, right?
Yep.
What is the Meskel Festival all about? Oh my God.
No. Come here.
What?
Here.
Here? Oh my God. Yeah. Oh, I love this, man. Can you tell me something about the Meskel Festival?
Yeah, it's all about the finding of the true cross by Empress Helena.
Okay.
The story goes like the true cross of Jesus Christ was lost
Oh, okay.
because
What?
the people think that without like having the cross while crucifying Jesus Christ will not work for them. As a result, they hide the cross.
Okay.
And they put a lot of trash on the cross.
So
and practically it was lost.
So which means that this is not a traditional festival.
Yeah,
this is not a traditional festival.
It's a religious festival now,
It's
but
a religious-
it was a traditional festivity back to centuries.
Oh, okay. Wow. This looks so much fun, man. As you can see, so many people. That's you happy. Embracing me, which makes all of us Africans, man. Yo. What? How are you? Okay. You speak English, right?
Yeah, I can.
You can, right? I want to know how often do you do this? How many times do you do this in a year?
Once in a year.
Once in a year. Oh, nice. I really don't understand whatever is going on, but I'm already in the spirit already, you know. Where are they going? Are they going to one particular place?
Yeah, at
square? Is it purposely for the festival?
It's meant for the festival.
Okay.
Yeah. During the communists, it was called Revolutionary Square.
Oh, okay. Categories, because I see like it looks like the cross that we know. So yeah, I want to know, like, is it like dancing or what? It's not dance. A spiritual song. Okay, like this. Oh, okay. So if I add this, it's a dance. Oh, okay. You see, like, this is one of the experiences that you will never get it anywhere until you come to Ethiopia. Believe me, what I saw them doing, I thought it's just a dance, until a woman out there told me that no, you can't add your body to it, but just hold your hand, because this is so spiritual. So if something is spiritual, all you need to do is, like, you know, no body movement, just your hand. Hey, hey, can you come closer? Come. Thank you. It's more, it's dance.
No, it's just like you have to do like this.
Your hand. So the hand is the movement of the hand, not with the body. Can we dance to the song? One, hey. Can we? Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Yeah, just like that. Then when you finish the shibshaba,
Okay.
you have to clap like this.
Okay, so how many
how-
times do you have to move your hands before you clap?
It's 2 times a way.
2 times.
Yeah, you have to do like this, and when you finish like this, you have to clap it.
Okay, so 1, 2, clap.
No, there are some of verses that are playing.
Oh, okay.
When you finish the verse of the song or the mazmur, we have to do like that. You have to clap.
Clap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just look at them.
All right, I have to look at it.
Yeah.
Right now. Jeez. No matter how much I learn this, I know it's definitely going to be difficult for me. But hey, it's not my culture, but I'm learning. And I guess you are all learning with me. Thank you. You know what? I like the fact that this is so organized to the extent that they are making sure that security is super tight. I mean, there's so many people in here, but they still have to check you. So what you see right now is a group of different churches marching to the Meskel Square, where the main event is happening.
ተገኘ መስቀሉ
This place is the Meskel Square, right?
Yeah.
So what is happening in here right now?
Okay, different church singers as well as church people will parade from their respective church to this place.
Okay.
And they will be singing spiritual songs and they will be showing some spiritual stuffs. And the church leaders will also address the people about the importance, the significance of the celebration. And at the end, the bonfire will be lit, the one that's found in the middle. You
Okay.
see? The one that's found in the middle.
Oh yeah, that's the bonfire.
Yeah, yeah. So people will be luluing and singing. That will be the culmination of the celebration.
Okay.
By the way, the importance of the bonfire is that Prince Helena, the one who found the true cross, was instructed in her dream to use a bonfire to find the whereabouts of the cross.
Is the person who found the true cross Ethiopian?
No, she's not Ethiopian.
Where is she from?
She's the mother of Constantine the Great, the Roman emperor.
The Roman Emperor.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So how many people are here right now? I don't think you know it.
Yeah, I expect probably more than 2 million.
More than 2 million people. Wow. Why do most Ethiopians celebrate this festival then?
Oh, now it has become part of the Christian tradition. But previously it was also observed by people like who are not Christians. But now, there's a term called syncretism.
Okay.
That is the pagan tradition can be incorporated into Christian tradition.
Okay.
But actually, this celebration was celebrated especially to the southern part of Ethiopia to observe the transition from the rainy season to the dry season.
Okay, so which means that you celebrate this festival at the end of the rainy season.
Yes.
It's raining today, which means you are still in the rainy season.
Yeah, but we say September 11, according to Gregorian calendar, which is September 1st in our calendar, marks the true end of the rainy season. Nowadays, we're celebrating using flowers. That tells you that the rainy season has already ended.
Oh, okay. Moment that we all have been waiting for. It's time to light the fire. So yeah, I mean I feel cold already, bro. Like for real, security. I mean the president is here, not the prime minister. The president is here. So oh wow. Security, bro. Security.
ተገኘ መስቀሉ
It's so beautiful, man. Yo, I've never seen anything like this before. This is absolutely beautiful. It's so colorful out here with the fire and everything. Oh my goodness, like oh, good. Jeez. With everyone lighting up their torchlight, it gives a different vibe altogether. My goodness, if you're not here, you missed a lot. Don't forget to like this video and share to any Ethiopian that you know. But if you're Ethiopian and you're watching for the first time, send to your friend and family, tell them that this is what we call the Meskel Festival in Ethiopia. Thank you for watching. My name is Mr. Ghana Baby. Aya Maya. Peace out.